We're gonna go for a ride and test out this GoPro mic. I don't have an external mic, but I bought one on Amazon, so we're gonna see how well I can hear myself through the mic on the helmet with no external mic. So I doubt I'll be able to hear myself at all. We're gonna do some sick wheelies up here, that's for sure though. Hopefully you can hear me. Second gear wheelie. If I had a bigger yard, I'd do a little bit longer wheelies, but I'm too poor. I also want to know if you can hear me while I'm moving. Oh. You can see that mark? I almost hit the fence earlier. That was no bueno. See how fast we can go in this little yard. 26. Got up to 26 miles an hour. I'm not going to try to go much faster than that. I think I'm good, bro. Let's go see how much we can hear. Uh-oh. I think I just ran over Mickey Mouse. I hope he's okay. Hey Mickey Mouse, you dead, bro? Yeah, he's dead. R.I.P. Mickey. I don't know how I'm going to tell my kid I killed Mickey Mouse. That's going to be an awkward conversation. Alright, let's go see how well we could hear that.